Have you ever thought about having a second brain? It might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but this is a real concept that's changing the way we think about knowledge and productivity. Picture it as an external digital system that works hand in hand with your biological brain. This second brain serves as a warehouse for your thoughts, ideas, and insights, and it's not about replacing the natural brain, but rather enhancing it. Consider your mind as a creator, a generator of brilliant ideas, and the second brain as the curator, organizing and storing these ideas for easy retrieval. This digital system is your personal library, your treasure trove of thoughts. It's an extension of your natural thinking process, a tool that helps manage the vast amount of information we encounter daily. So the idea is to use technology as an extension of our natural thinking process to store and manage our knowledge. Now, how do you organize this digital brain? Well, Tiago Forte introduces us to the PARA method. PARA, an acronym for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives, is a fantastic way to sort your digital content. Projects are your active endeavors. Areas are parts of your life that require continual attention. Resources are topics of ongoing interest. And archives are completed projects or irrelevant information. This system helps you to prioritize what's important and easily access the information when you need it. But organizing your digital content is just part of the equation. Building a personal knowledge management system is equally crucial. It's about harnessing digital tools like note-taking apps, cloud storage, and task managers to manage your digital brain. This system allows you to capture information, organize it in a meaningful way, and synthesize it to create something new. With a system in place, you can effectively capture, organize, and synthesize information. How do you fill your second brain with valuable content? It all starts with the process of capture. This involves gathering information from various sources, be it books, articles, podcasts, or conversations. Think of it as feeding your second brain with raw material. Next, we move on to curation. This is where you sift through the captured information and organize it into meaningful collections. By doing so, you're not just storing information, but shaping it into a form that resonates with you. From there, we segue to creation. This is where the magic happens. With a well-curated second brain, you're ready to generate fresh ideas and insights. You're not just regurgitating information, you're synthesizing it, adding your unique perspective. Lastly, we have iterative learning. This is not a one-and-done deal. Your second brain evolves with you. As you learn and grow, so does it. You continuously refine and expand your knowledge, adding depth to your understanding. Remember, it's not just about collecting information. It's about refining and expanding your knowledge over time. How do you ensure that the information in your second brain is not just stored, but really understood and readily available? Here, Tiago Forte introduces us to the power of retrieval practice. This is not a mere passive review of information. It's an active process of recalling information from our memory. Imagine it as a mental workout where each retrieval is like a rep that strengthens your memory muscles. This isn't just about remembering facts and figures, it's about understanding the essence, the key concepts tucked away in your second brain. When you regularly review and recall this information, you're not just refreshing your memory, you're deepening your understanding and creating stronger mental hooks to access that knowledge when you need it. It's like having a library where every book is a gem of knowledge, and you're the librarian who knows exactly where to find each one. So remember, it's not just about storing information, it's about retrieving it, understanding it, and using it to fuel your creativity and innovation. And that, my friends, is the power of building a second brain.